Hi, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're doing the high frogs on the reformer. So, high frogs on the reformer, not for the weak at heart or the weak at seat. You'll definitely need all the strength of your center and that means your booty to make this happen. I highly recommend you watch this and without doing it before you do it, because I don't want you to try to look at me while you're doing it, okay? So I have 2 springs on, and typically you get into high frogs after doing a short spine. So I'll do a short spine, do the high frogs, and we'll talk about it. So placing your short spine loops on your feet, right? Making sure your headrest is down. You press out. And then on short spine, you always want to lift the hips before the carriage moves. And then you and the carriage unwind together. So if my carriage closes, I need to like where my hips are, but I can't get loose grip on my straps. I'm still pressing my feet into my straps so that I'm still using my hamstrings. And that way, as I roll down, my center, my hamstrings, and my legs pull the carriage closed, or the heels to my seat rather. So you do like 2 to 3 of those. And then you lift your hips and you go up and you stay up. And as you bend and straighten your legs, the hips do not get to move. So that's why practicing bending your knees in your short spine without losing that grip of your feet, the tension in the straps is important. So when you do high frogs, as you bend your knees, you don't lose that pressure of your feet into the straps here, because if you do, you're not going to get up. I won't even show you because it's terrible for your body, but if when you bend your knees, you let the press into the straps disappear, you're going to sink all of that weight not just onto your neck, but when you go to press into that weight, it's going to come from your back and not from your seat. So high frogs and short spine are really safe exercises if you're standing on your shoulders and you keep activating your whole center. So always pressing your feet into your straps. The nice thing about these loops is that you can easily feel really quickly as soon as you've lost that reach into them, they're like loose on your foot. So you definitely want to make sure you maintain that connection. Really practice that in your short spine before you attempt high frogs. And I would honestly make sure you've been doing your tower on the Cadillac before you do your high frogs, because if you can't keep your hips in one place on tower without the mat below you moving, you're going to have a really hard struggle doing your high frogs on the reformer where the carriage is going out and in, and it's really easy to lose control of the springs. So I hope it's an excellent exercise when you're ready, and I hope you enjoy trying it out. If you do it, tag me at Lesley, Lesley.Logan, so I can cheer you on wherever you are in this amazing world. And then join me in my classes on onlinepilatesclasses.com. We do 30-minute classes, and I love to incorporate things like this so that you can continue to progress your Pilates practice. See you next time.
Hi, I'm Meredith, and I'm one of the people creating onlinepilatesclasses.com. One of the things that I love most about this project is that we're building the very first free online catalog of Pilates exercise how-to videos. We release 3 new videos each week. People often leave comments asking Lesley to explain a specific exercise, and you can do that too. And if you love watching these videos and believe in the project of creating this catalog, you can support it by joining Lesley every week in her online mat and reformer classes. Just go to onlinepilatesclasses.com/subscribe.